Alright, and here I have 91,371 Solana Satoshis. Hi guys, today we are going to withdraw from this final autoclaim website. I think you guys remember I did a review of this website in last year, so let's try to withdraw today. Today I am going to withdraw Solana because I have collected the minimum amount to withdraw from this website. So let me show you my wallet. Here I have 61,000 Solana Satoshis. So let's withdraw. But first of all, let me show you how to swap some final autoclaim websites tokens to any of these crypto tokens you want. All you have to do is log into your account in this website and click swap right here, and then in this first drop down menu that says select coin to exchange, you can choose the coin you want to exchange. I'm going to choose Dutchy tokens, that is the website tokens. That are the things you earn from this website. And in next drop down menu, select coin to receive, you can choose the coin that you want to receive. Let me choose Solana because today we are going to get Solana, and I want 5,000 Satoshis or tokens right here. Amount in Satoshis, put how many tokens you are going to exchange. I will exchange 5,000. Your actual Dutchy balance, you can see your balance right here. I have 34,000, but I'm only going to get 5,000 to exchange. Now let's hit exchange, and 5,000 Dutchy fully exchange for 9,931 Solana Satoshis. Alright, let's hit wallet next and find my Solana balance right here. I think you can see this. So let's click withdraw on the Solana wallet, and we can choose a method. Okay, I will get to Faucet Pay because I have it open right here. Processing time 2 seconds. That's good. Amount to withdraw. You can choose how many of your current balance you are going to withdraw. I'm going to get all because I want to show this to you. Fee 0. That is the good thing about Solana. It has a minimum of very little fee or fees not at all. Your Faucet Pay account mail 0. Alright, looks like we have to put our Faucet Pay email address. Click on this little pencil icon right here. See? Click on it. I'm going to open it in a new window, and here you can add your micro wallets and Coinbase data. Let me simply put my Faucet Pay address in this box and scroll down and click update. A verification mail was sent. Please check your mailbox to validate your address change. Okay, let's validate our address changes. FP address successfully linked. Okie dokie. Click my wallet again, and while it's loading, as you can see here, I have only 20,000 Solana Satoshis in my Faucet Pay wallet. Let's see if this website is really going to pay me. Okay, here is the Solana wallet. Click withdraw. I'm going to get all of the balance as I told you before. My account address right here. Let's click request. Loading Solana sent to your faucetpay.io. Okay, let me check it. And in the final autoclaim website, the Solana balance went to 0. And if I go to Faucet Pay and refresh it, fingers crossed. Okay. Let me log in first. Alright, and here I have 91,371 Solana Satoshis. So my guys, as you saw, this website is still really paying. So if you haven't started using this website, I will leave my link in the description. Use that link to register on this website, and there are many ways to earn on this website. Just earn little by little, and when you collect the minimum amount, just withdraw them. Bonus tip for all of you that stick around for this far: the best method to earn from this website is from redeeming gift codes. All you have to do is follow their social media accounts, and they will post gift codes occasionally. So that is the best way to get these tokens fast. Finally, here is the transaction from that website. So yeah, that's it for today's video. Please remember to subscribe, and I will see you in my next video.